guys, I have my trainee here with me today. So she enrolled on how to do makeup and she has been seeing all the hair, I've been styling, the braiding and everything, and she said she want to learn. And I was like, okay, no problem, today I'm going to teach you. So today is the day I'm going to use Doll Baby to teach you. Are you ready to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You're gonna try?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay, no problem. She said she's going to learn. So let's rate her. Let's see how it's really going to turn out because she loves all the braid I've been braiding and she said she wants to learn. So today I'm gonna use Dawn Baby. We're going to start. Or will you tell me you want to go and take a nap that is too much on your head?
I don't know.
You don't, she just said she does not know yet. Please, let's see how she's gonna do it. And we're gonna rate her. I just pray she tried. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. This is really amazing. Exactly. 1, that's 2. Make sure you don't pick other hair and join them, so be very careful. That's 3. That's 4. Make sure the down is tight. Make sure the down is tight. That's 5. Make sure you're using your fingertips, just the tip. Don't use all over your hand. And that is 5. So it's time for you to join the attachment. So you take a little attachment and you join. Exactly. Put at the second hand. Correct. Correct. Then you plait. Nice. That's beautiful. Then you join the second one, then you keep going, then another one. You have to join another attachment. You will not jack it up. I told you don't jack it up. You have to weave it down so that the hair will not look like the shoulder is going up. Do you understand? Join another attachment. It's only when you turn professional that's when you can jack it up because you know how you're doing it. I'm always telling you, hold this one in your small hand, hold it firm. Hold and make it tight and firm. Exactly. Then you put this one, you've put it in your second hand, right? Yes. Then make it. Try. Your hand is still moving, the attachment is moving. Don't worry, keep trying, you will get it. It's gradual. Is it not today you're just doing this? You will get it, then put that one. Don't worry, you will get it. Don't worry, you get it. It's small. You've made a mistake, I've seen it. Don't worry, it will be fine. In due time, before you know you will sabi. Then you now take it up small, then you braid it. Your braid has started having lumps, but no problem. No, between. Don't worry, don't be shy. I'm telling you that in no time you get how to braid. Don't worry. Then it's time for you to join attachment. Make sure you hide the natural hair. Let the attachment be up, then let your natural hair be down. You understand? Try, just try. You're supposed to put this in between your second hand. Yeah, okay, this is the hand. Second hand of this hand. This is the hand you're holding. Then put this on. Then turn it. Exactly. Turn it. Exactly. That's good. Then turn it. Cho! You don't fuck up. You don't come far. So you know she fucked up. She couldn't join. The joining part is actually very tactical on her. The joining is very stressful, so that's the part she can't do better, but I believe she's really going to try as it's going. So let me show her how she's going to do this particular one and how to join it. The way you cut your hair, me, I don't like it. So you cut like this, you cut it. Do you get? We are not putting edge control because you're still learning. Do you get? Then to plait, I will hold it 1, I will hold 2, then I'll put this hand, then I'll put the second hand. This 2 hand is always at the middle. This 2 hand, It's always at the middle. Then you turn, make it tight. Then you turn, make it tight, make it firm, make it beautiful. Then you start braiding. As you're braiding it, you're making it to sleep. You don't raise it up so that this place will not look like real shoulder. You understand? So it's time for me to add attachment. I'm going to share, and I put it in my small finger. Are you seeing the way I'm putting in my small finger? I'll put it in my small finger like this, then I grab it, then I turn it down. Can you see? Then I put it in between my two hands. Can you see? I put it in between my two hands, and I take it and I turn. It's not running. I don't think you can see it. Just take the camera close. It's not running. Are you seeing? Then I carry this one and put in between. Then I go. Are you seeing? Then time for me to braid. I'll raise it up. Then I'll start braiding. I see the way I'm putting my hand. I'm putting my hand is like this. Like this. While this one is holding this one, this two is supporting this one. Then I'll take attachments. I'll take a little attachment from you. Then I will add it. I'm taking the attachment according to the size of the braid. Then I'll add it from under. See the way I'm adding it. I see. Like this. Then I'll turn. Then I'll turn. Then I'll turn. This attachment is too big, so I'm sharing it to the under one. Are you seeing? I'll turn. Turn, 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 turn. Make it loose. Make it loose. See the way my hand is. To make the attachment look like as if you're using foreign attached to braid it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't make it tight like this. Don't make it tight like this. It doesn't make sense. If you make it tight like this, it will not make sense. So you make it loose. Then if you want to join, let me join it again and show you, because you're having stress with joining and it's crazy. To join, put it in between these your two hands. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 from your small thumbnail. 1, 2, 3. You put it in between like this, and hold this one like this, and you hold this, then you turn. Are you seeing? Then you hold, you turn, hold, you turn, hold, you turn, just like that. Then I want to hide this. This is natural hair. I want to hide the natural hair with the attachment. I'll turn it like this, and I will hide it. I will make sure the natural hair is not showing on the braid. It's just the attachment that is covering the natural hair so that the hair will not hold quick. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Yes, are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. That's good. So don't worry. Don't be scared. Definitely you're going to get this in no time. And I believe you. I trust you. You know I trust you. You'll get it in no time. Believe me.
Amen.
What happened to your brain? You see, your brain is up. You want your brain to come down.
To sleep first and think about that hair. Then later, I'll get it. If I do it now, I won't get it.
You won't get to see your face. But you know you have to try. Although it's good for you to take a nap and think about it and come back, it's really understandable because to make you realize what they are teaching you. So let it not be too much on you. It's okay, you can take your time. But I just wanted to know what you're doing. Do you understand? Handwork is the best. That's what I can see. And so please don't forget to subscribe.